everybody, it's JP. We're heading over to the Kofa mountain range, Kofa Wildlife Refuge, to do a little bit of a hike. Just Snowflake and I, so hope you can join us. So there's a little bit of a dirt road going in here, but it's not too bad. Alright, so I'm gonna go check out this canyon. Check it out. What a view, what a view, wow. Snowflake and I, we made it up here. It's not that far, probably half a mile, I would say, maybe 3/4 of a mile. But we made it up here. There's a little sign here that says palms and a little arrow, and if you look right up there in that canyon, you see the palm trees kind of up there. It's kind of very unique for the desert and the mountains around here. I can hear a crow up there somewhere. Very pretty. It's a pretty sheer wall right here, really. Like it's just about on top of you. It's way up there. Be a rock climber's paradise right here. Well, if you ever get a chance to do this hike, if you ever come out by Quartzsite, Arizona, it's just off of Highway 95 south of Quartzsite, Arizona. There's a little dirt road that comes off. It's probably about 3 or 4 miles long. But it's worth it. It's very beautiful out here. Very remote. Great place to hike. Well, like all good things, what goes up must come down. So we're gonna hike on down to the van. But it sure is beautiful up here. It's about mid-November, and very beautiful. I wouldn't try this hike in the summertime. It's probably like an oven up here in this little canyon. So let's hike on down, huh? Ready? Let's go. Well, Snowflake and I made it back to the parking lot here. Look at this view. That's the end of our hike here at the Kofa mountain range at the Palm Canyon. Make sure you like this video and hit that little subscribe button in the corner for more videos. It's going to be more to come, more adventures that I like to share with all of you. I really appreciate you all watching my videos and comment on them. If there's something that you want to see out here in the desert, I'd be happy to show you. So until next time, catch you later. Well, Snowflake and I decided to spend the night here at this, looks like a good boondocking spot to me. But check out the beautiful colors from the sunset. And yeah, the sun's setting, and I'm gonna let you take a look at it. I'm gonna try to get a time lapse of that too. Can you guys believe that sunset? That is just awesome. Woohoo! That's a good old Arizona sunset out here in the Kofa mountain range.